Thinking about selling your home but unsure where to spend your time and money? Here's the truth. Not every repair or upgrade is worth it. In fact, some fixes could be a total waste. In this video, we will look into what you don't need to fix but still attract buyers and sell your home for top dollar. Stick around until the end for two of the best zero-cost actions you can take that'll have a huge impact. Now, here's something I see all the time. Sellers over-renovating their homes in hopes of adding value but spending way too much money in the process. If the upgrades you're planning on doing price your home far above what similar properties in the area are selling for, you could actually hurt your chances of selling. The key is to make smart, cost-effective decisions that enhance your home's appeal without blowing your budget. One of the smartest things you can do is get a pre-sale home inspection. It helps you as the seller to identify major repairs that might come up during a buyer's inspection, like roof leaks or plumbing issues. Focus your budget on addressing these issues, as these could be potential deal breakers. This proactive step can save you stress and make money in the selling process. So with this in mind, let's look at the 7 things you don't need to fix when selling your home, but still help you attract buyers and close the deal. Number 1 is avoid partial repairs. One of the biggest mistakes I see is homeowners tackling partial repairs. For example, redoing one bathroom while leaving the others outdated, or painting a couple of rooms while the rest of the rooms feel worn down. These inconsistent updates give buyers the impression that the home hasn't been fully maintained. Instead, aim for a balanced and cohesive look, even if that means focusing on smaller, consistent updates. Number 2 is skip replacing window coverings. Here's an easy win. You don't need to spend money replacing old blinds or heavy curtains. Buyers love natural light and they'll likely remove outdated window treatments anyway. Focus instead on maximizing natural light by keeping windows clean and removing unnecessary coverings. A bright, airy home does wonders for a home's appeal. Number 3 is don't completely remodel kitchen and bathrooms. Kitchen and bathrooms are definitely key selling points in a home, but going all out on a full remodel often won't give you the return on investment you're hoping for. Here's why. Buyers' taste can vary greatly from yours. For example, you might love the look of bold, patterned granite countertops, but a buyer might prefer something simple and more natural like a white quartz. The same goes for cabinets. Dark wood cabinets may feel luxurious to you, but the buyer might have their heart set on a bright, minimalistic kitchen with white cabinetry. Bathrooms can also be tricky. Let's say you replace all the fixtures with trendy gold matte black options. Some buyers will love it, but others might prefer a more timeless chrome brushed nickel finish. Plus, you may not get the return on thousands of dollars you spent updating the bathroom, especially if buyers plan to customize it themselves after moving in. So instead of gutting your kitchen or bathroom, focus on small updates that appeal to a broader audience. Painting the cabinets in a neutral shade, swapping out outdated hardware, or replacing an old faucet can give the space a fresh, modern look without breaking the bank. Buyers will appreciate their facelift without feeling locked into your specific style. Number 4 is don't finish the basement. Thinking about finishing your basement before selling, you can skip it. Leaving the basement unfinished offers buyers the flexibility to customize it to their needs. Whether they want a gym, a home office, or a playroom, an unfinished basement gives them a blank canvas. Just make sure it's clean and free of clutter. Number 5 is keep landscaping simple. Yes, curb appeal matters, but don't go overboard with an expensive landscape redesign. It's easy to spend thousands on new flower beds or patios, but buyers may not even value those updates. Instead, keep it simple, mow the lawn, trim hedges, and you can add some potted plants or fresh mulch to really create a welcoming look. Now, if you're wondering how a few simple things can completely transform your home while you're still living in it, check out this video.